Okay guys, welcome to another episode of me cooking. Today we're going to red chili fried egg curry. Well, it's not really curry, it's something like gravy. For this you need 3 unboiled chicken. Break them into a glass or container and add in a pinch of salt and whisk them thoroughly. And add in the first half of the egg mixture and let it fry well. So once it's fried, roll it up and also add in the second layer of the egg mixture, and once it's fried, roll it up something like a Swiss roll so that it has more layers to it, and personally I find it's more filling. And once it's fried, cut it into multiple pieces and set it aside. And next, moving on for the gravy part, add in some oil, add in about 3 pieces of cardamom, and add in about 1/4 cup of onion, and make sure the onion is fried till it's golden brown, so it has more taste in it. Do not rush into it. Then add in a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste each, and also a 1/4 cup of yogurt, and add in all the eggs that you fried earlier, and let it sit about 3 minutes. Add in a teaspoon of curry powder. I'm using fish curry powder, and add in about half cup of water, and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes guys, and it should be ready to serve. And if you can pair it with your mom's curry at home today for lunch maybe. Have a good day guys.